Just outside of Taipei, amongst endless rows of misty tea plantations, situated atop a lush green mountain, is a handmade noodle operation sure to make you regret any moment you took a noodle for granted. Here, masters of the craft spend their days in a coordinated dance, not unlike that of a theatrical performance. Stomping, pulling, hanging, cutting. This is Noodle Mountain. We just arrived and the owner could not be more kind. This place is wonderful. We're gonna start making the noodles and I cannot wait to dive in. I've never seen anything like this.
我从小在这边长大，那家里是种茶，觉得太无聊，没有兴趣，所以就去学拉面线。手工面线在中国已经是一个很长的历史，每一代它都会有一些演化。那在台湾也有。 我们旧家是在这边下去一点点，然后这个房子是我爸爸建的，就选在这旁边，用一个小的面线工厂来制作。因为石碇这边它有很好的空气跟水质，那其实最主要它会这么好吃，就是因为第一个就是盐嘛，那再来就是它一个的步骤。 我们是经过大概13道的工法之后，才能够做成面线。拉细之后，就要放着醒面休息，然后延展性才会再出来。所以这个是最主要是它那个口感好吃的来源这样子。
They've invited Iz to try her hand at stretching noodles.
No. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
That is exhausting. They are like, that's just exercising all day.
对我自己而言，我觉得手工做的面线，它跟机器最大不一样，就是它工法。在台湾，它可能大致上会有2种，它会像泡面一样，就很像很软烂的，没有口感。那我们手工做的，它就是面是软的，但是它咬起来每一口都有那个 Q 劲。 就是跟你拉的时候那种感觉一样，它是活的，每一口都有那个咬劲这样子。
Okay, now that we've made the noodles, we're gonna have a noodle feast. This place is wonderful. Take a look at these dishes. This one in particular is made with a grain that's grown in this area. It's actually a red grain, which creates the pink noodle, and it's used most commonly for wine. The sauce on this is a tea oil, which is very appropriate considering we are in the land of tea plantations. Isn't that texture?
They're so chewy, but like so soft.
These are superpower moon noodles. Don't you dare take them.
Don't you eat them. Don't you eat them. Don't you eat them.
They just brought this out. I'm so excited about it. And a little thrown by how intense it is. It looks like we're gonna cut this open. Oh my gosh. This is one of the best things I've ever tasted. The crispiness of the outer, the chewiness of the noodles inside, just like swirled around and layered. The meat is flavored perfectly. This sauce as well just adds a sweet, salty element to it that just takes it up 10 notches, which I didn't even think was possible because it's so good. Okay, after all of that, we are now gonna try the noodles down this slide. What? They basically put them in through the kitchen. They cook as they come down the water. So you catch them with the green chopsticks, put them into your bowl with the flavoring and sauce, eat them with the black chopsticks. I hope I can catch them. It would be so sad to see them just go down the chute. It would be embarrassing too. Oh!
基本上，我对于来到这边的客人，就是说希望他们能够满意的回去。所以说，平常我会花蛮多的时间去想，我要如何可以做得更好，而且做得更好的同时，我要有特色。那所以说，我会希望就是说， 把这边的特色一样，譬如说分享给你们，那你帮我们分享出去。谢谢。
So wonderful, so beautiful. That brings our experience to a close. I don't think I can say it better than he did. This is a beautiful, special experience to not only witness but participate in one of the most beautiful places. Taiwan has been an absolute joy. The people have been so kind. The views have been exceptional. My heart is full. Thank you for watching.